Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first open our WhatsApp. So once you open your WhatsApp, keep in mind that you will only be able to recover chats or messages if you backed up your messages right here. So if you haven't backed up your messages or chats, unfortunately, you won't be able to recover it anymore. So to see if you have a backed up messages or chats on WhatsApp, then what we're going to do is to go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the three dots. After that, we're going to click on settings. And then after that, under the chats, click that. We're gonna scroll down until you see chat backup. After that, as you can see right here, I haven't backed up my WhatsApp messages right here. So if you see that you have a last backup right there, and then you will be able to recover all of the chats or messages that has been sent on that date. So I'm just gonna click on backup right here. And then once it is backed up, you will be able to see that I have now backed up my messages or chats. And then after that, what we're going to do to access it is to uninstall our WhatsApp. So just go into your settings, and then in this part, just uninstall it. So click on uninstall, and then just open Play Store. Once you open Play Store, just search for WhatsApp right here. And then after searching, just install it once again, and then wait for it to finish. So just click on open right here. And then after that, just click on agree and continue, and then just put your phone number. After that, just click on next. After that, just click on continue. So what we're going to do next is you will see this restore a backup. So we're going to click on continue right here, and then click on allow right here. And then after that, we're going to click on give permission. After that, just scroll down and then click on continue. And then after that, as you can see right here, we now have backed up our community right here. And then you will now be able to see all of the message that has been sent in this community. So that is basically it.